Hello everybody and welcome back to another video from World Linguistics. My name is Kyle and in this video I'm going to say Spanish direct object pronouns. Direct object pronouns take the place of nouns or people in sentences. What are the five direct object pronouns? Me for yo, hey, lo for masculine nouns, la for feminine nouns, nos which means us, los for masculine nouns and las for feminine nouns. When you see these, ask yourself who or what is receiving the action. How do you use me? Juan me entendió. Who received the verb? Let's take a closer look. In the sentence above, Juan understood me, so I am the recipient of the verb. How do you use te? Te hablaron en el cuarto. Who received the verb? Let's take a closer look. Te hablaron. They talked to you, so you received the verb. How do you use lo? Llamaron al padre. Who is the recipient of the verb? Let's take a closer look at this one. Lo llamaron. See the difference? All we did was replace the noun el padre with lo. They called the father, so the father received the verb. See how this works? How do you use la? Conocieron a la madre. Who is the recipient of the verb? Let's take a closer look. La conocieron. Who is the recipient of the verb? In this sentence, all we did was replace la madre with la. La madre is the recipient of the verb. How do you use nos? Contaron a nosotros. Let's take a closer look. They told us, so we received the verb. See how this works? How do you use los? Contaron los números. Who received the verb? Let's take a closer look. Los contaron. They counted the numbers, so the numbers received the verb. How do you use las? Comieron las manzanas. Who received the verb? Let's take a closer look. Las comieron. They ate the apples, so the apples received the verb.